Come along, guys, and make with me color changing lip gloss. And here are my gadgets, the items I'm gonna be using. This is the color I'll be using, color blue. This is the color changing I'll be using. This is my pipettes that I'll be using also. This is my measuring scale, and this is two tubes I'll be using. This one here is actually my big syringe that I'll be using to pack the items. And here is my Vasa gel. I'm opening it already. Wow, can you see how it is? So thick and with a lot of bubbles. Can you see that? And then this is the bowl I'll be using, my transparent bowl. And here I'm trying to measure out the Vasa gel. So I'm trying to just make something small. So I decided to use 15 gram of Vasa gel. Don't forget, before you put on your before you start measuring, make sure your scale is on zero for appropriate measurement. So here I'm trying to get my 15 gram. So I've already measured it because it was so sticky. I have to just cut the video and continue again. So look at it here, it's 15. And then look at, wow, those bubbles in the Vasa gel. And here is my polyisobutene, the Vasa gel oil. Polyisobutene, some people use it alone like that as lip gloss, but that is not the real lip gloss. So lip gloss is Vasa gel and polyisobutene. So now I'm trying to mix my polyisobutene with my Vasa gel to make my lip gloss. I put like 5 gram, but the 5 gram for me is still a bit too thick. So here I am mixing and mixing and mixing. When I'm done, I actually added more to it because it was too thick. I want it to be a bit not too thick and not too um, runny. So when I got my consistency that I'm okay with, I added my color, the blue color. So if you're trying to make color changing lip gloss, you can use any color. It can be black, it can be yellow, it can be anything, any color you want at all. But the moment you have introduced your color changing oil to it, trust me, it's gonna become pink on the lips. So here's my color changing lip gloss I'm trying to add. It is light orange color, very light orange, but it turns pink on the skin. It works with the pH of the skin. You can even see the way it looks on my gloves. It's pink already on the gloves. So I'm trying to test it to see how it looks like. So taking a little of my blue lip gloss. Wow, can you see how it is? It is turning pink immediately on my hand. So depending on how plenty your color changing oil is, you can add little, you can add much. In this video I added like I think 15 drops to 20 drops of color changing oil. So that is it here, and then see the reaction it gives on my hand. Can you see that? So I don't really need it, I just want to do it for this video's sake, and then I'll put it in that tube, and I can give anybody around me. Thank you. See ya.